Hey guys, this is a little quick video to show you how to attach your frame to your locomotive body without cracking the body mounts. You're going to stick your screwdriver in the screw, then spin it backwards first. You should feel it drop. Like that. Then tighten your screw. I learned this from a woodworker about 20 years ago or so. But when you do that, it sets the screw into the original threads instead of having it try to cut new ones. And it just goes down pretty easy. You can feel a big difference doing it this way. All right, that's it.